A new chapter of your life has just begun. Congratulations! You dream of a calm, simple and easy life. But the little things can become quite dramatic. Don't panic. We are here to help you. This is the cocoon in which your baby will be placed. You just have to assemble it. Here you go. Your bassinet is ready. Open the frame pack. Put these items away. You don't need them for bassinet setup. Now your YOYO 2 equipped with its bassinet is ready. All you have to do is to go on a stroll.